All right, what's going on, guys? Back to cooking with vintage van life. How you doing, everybody? Hey, this is your host, Brian. Hey, we got some potatoes and some onions going on right now. Got a little butter going there. We'll throw some pepper on that. And maybe we'll throw a little bit of salt on that. That's enough. We'll let that cook for a little while, fry it up a little bit, and then we're going to throw some smoked sausage in there and have smoked sausage and onions and spuds. Yeehaw! Boom! Biggity bam, buddy. Look at that, man. We got the spatula just fell. Just about ready to pull this off of here. Oh, smells so good in the War Wagon right now. I am going to have a feast tonight. It's like the first real meal I've cooked myself in the War Wagon ever. I cannot wait to eat this. So, that's it. Yo, what's going on, guys? Check this out, man. My new buddy Rodney right here, subscriber to the channel, came all the way in from Alabama, and he stopped by to say hi to the War Wagon and me and Monkey. How you doing, Rodney?
Pretty good.
Dude, I appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah, no problem.
And he left. He pulled out and he came back and he says, hey, man, you guys need some firewood? Dude, you should smell this. It smells like the East Coast oak, buddy. This stuff's going to burn for a week. I'm not going to take it all, though. This is my new buddy Rodney right here, man.
Hey, everybody.
Here comes Hooker. He got his freaking panels up, buddy. He's ready to make some sun. I think he found out the hard way this morning that the water didn't open till 9 o'clock. Because Mark said...
3 times.
How
many
many times
he went down there?
Yep. 3 times.
And this is his 3rd time. He's back now. Let's see if he got it empty.
I hope so. That's a lot of poop to carry around. Yo, guys, check out this freaking Ranchero 500 sitting here. I don't know, like 77 maybe. It's about the same year as a War Wagon. It's for sale. It's just sitting here in Quartzsite, and I mean, it has been sitting here a very, very long time. But man, look at this thing. I mean, this is in awesome shape, dude. Awesome. Wow. Totally awesome. What's going on, guys? Had to stop down here at Basics, get a little bit of coffee because we came in to do some freaking laundry right now. We're at the laundromat, and honestly, we got here at 9 o'clock, and it's not, I mean, there's people here, but I've seen it way more packed than this. I'm really starting to think that Quartzsite is a lot less full than normal. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. Isn't that full? Look at this guy.
Hey!
What's going on, man?
These are my lovely 2 ladies.
Uh-oh. Watch out, lady. He's a killer.
There you go. You're very welcome. Thank you.
definitely starting to fill up out here, guys. This is coming across the bridge into Tyson Wells, and it is definitely filling up here with the rocks and the gems and the vendors, and everybody's getting ready for Celarama. And then on the other side of Tyson Wells, we got all the RVs are lining up. The big tent is up, but it's not open yet. But the RVs for the RV show are piling in here. I think they might all be here. It doesn't look like they got room for more. So it is getting ready to kick off out here. What's up, guys? I wasn't even going to put this in the video, but I gotta say, I'm trying this Mountain House chicken and mashed potatoes dehydrated meal. Dude, it's good. They're not paying me. Actually, Ron Sees America gave me these because they're against his diet. But 460 calories and like 44 grams of protein. So, decent. But this is an e-bike I got from Movcan, M-O-V-C-A-N. This is the Q20. It's got 20-inch wheels. It folds. You got to do a little assembly. You got to put the front tire on. You got to put the handlebars together. You have to put air in the tires. You have to put the seat post in, but the seat and the seat post are already together. It came with the battery charger. It also came with a phone holder. So you need to put the fender on and the headlight. Unfortunately, the hardware to do that was missing. But I had some nuts and bolts and made it work. Then, when putting the seat post on the bike, I realized that the clamp that they had sent me and the bolt and nut were 3 different sizes. So I couldn't use that, so we had to adapt that as well. All right, guys, and here it is all together. Like I said, we had to put the kickstand on it. We had to put the seat on it. We had to put the handlebars together and onto the bike. We had to put the front wheel on it, and we had to mount the headlight and the fender. We also had to put this phone holder on it. But this is it. It's a nice looking bike. But now let's go over a couple of the things on the build that weren't so good. First off, missing hardware. This bolt was missing, so I had to adapt a wing nut because that's all I had in the War Wagon. Second of all the hardware right here to hold the fender and the headlight on were also missing from the package. I'm not sure, but I think one of these caps is missing, but there isn't a screw hole here, so don't hold me to that. Next, this was the big one right here. And I didn't show it, but when I got it, this was loose and flapped all around. And basically the first 1/10 of a mile, this opened up and this lock opened up on it. And the bike didn't fold open, but it could have. So I had to take this all apart and rebuild this. The spring was in backwards. This was just done the wrong way. So now that I've got the bike to the point where you can ride it, let's go take it for a ride and see what it's like. Think, Mark?
Hey, I like this.
I thought you might.
Yeah. Exercising my knees.
Getting out and meeting people, having fun. Being a couple of dirty hoodlums. Yeah, buddy. Me and Mark about cruising on the e-bikes. This is probably really bumpy, but woo! All right, guys. So Mark and I took these things out. The electric is my old bike, and the Movcan is my new one. So I gave that one to Mark, and we went out and tried them out, compared some things on the two of them, and this is what we found out. I really like this e-bike now that the issues have been taken care of. I like the fluid brakes. I like the way that it shifts. I like the pedal assist. I like the throttle. I like the overall comfort of the bike with the seat and the seat post with the shock absorber in it. I'm not a big fan of the lock on the side where you fold the bike, but it does work now that I fixed it. The handlebars are a little tight, a little close to you, but it is definitely a shorter bike than the electric. It's got the same size tires, the 20" by 4, so I like those. I enjoy the front shocks on the forks. So another thing is, it does not have folding pedals. This is an old style motor on the rear wheel. They're a lot smaller than that now. Actually, most of them are mid drives anymore. And this lock right here is definitely not, I'm not a fan of this lock. The upper part, I had to crank that thing down. I have to pry it open with a screwdriver just to get it, but I'd rather have it be hard to open than easy. Now the front fork handlebars, that lock there is far superior to the one that's on the electric. The fluid activated brakes are a game changer. That is the favorite part of this bike for me. I love the stopping ability. The phone holder they gave me with the bike, it's okay, but it doesn't pivot out, so it just hangs straight up and down. All in all, I'm happy with the bike. I like the suspension seat post and the comfort seat that comes with it. I had to add those to the electric, and I added this. The rack is good. It also has turn signals and a brake light. It's also got a switch for the headlight, and it's a nice bright headlight. And I like this. All right, guys, so as you can see, well, maybe you can't. There we go. I got about 6 miles on this thing now. It's got pedal assist system. It's got a trip meter. It shows your mile per hour. Up here shows your battery. So now the overall on the bike. It definitely is a decent bike after I tinkered with it for about an afternoon. It weighs about 63 pounds. It's easy to fold up. It's easy to carry. It's easy to stow. I like that. Really, the only thing I have to complain about is the fact that the quality control is not all that great, especially on the hardware that was shipped with it. I'm going to leave you guys a link down in the description with a little bit of a discount code. And if you guys are interested in one of these, you can get one. Is Quartzsite toxic?
Absolutely not.
Awesome.
And I'm sorry people are experiencing it that way, but I hope they can turn that around for themselves because it's a beautiful place.
Yo, guys, you got to check this out quick. So this company got a hold of me and said, hey, man, you need a new pair of sunglasses. So they sent me some. Check these out. So yeah, check it out, man. It comes with this nice little cleaning thing and this nice little bag. So yeah, there you go, guys. I love these things, man. They fit real good. They're polarized, so when I go fishing, I'll be able to see the fish in the water. And the price is right, man. And on top of that, I'll get you guys a discount, man. You save a couple bucks. I'll put it down here in the description. But check them out because I dig these sunglasses. And the other thing is this case is like, look at, you know what I mean? That'll protect them so they don't get all messed up. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this, once again, random encounter from Day. Had a lot of fun just going out of the laundromat and taking care of washing my clothes. It's nice washing them in my little laundromat that I got from Roy, but the big laundromat is much better, and the clothes smell much better when you get back after that one, that's for sure. And hope you guys are stoked for the video coming up. I showed you the little sneak peek with Dottie there, talking about the toxicity levels of Quartzsite's atmosphere and if they exist or not. It's going to be a fun one to shoot. We're going to have a lot of cool stories on that one. It's going to be a little bit different than what you usually see, but I'm stoked to do it, and I hope you're stoked to see it. But that's going to do it for this one. We will see you on the next one. Keep on banging.